All right, y'all. So we got Cole's 2000 Silverado regular cab short bed. It's a 4.8 with a 4L60. Never heard of an LS jump in time before. Maybe.
That don't sound right.
No, something that ain't hitting. So we're gonna go ahead and yank this 4.8 out, and then we'll do a 5.3 transplant where the 4.8 came at. Rebuild the 4L60, throw it back in here, and make us a tough little street truck. He's gonna have fun in high school with this one. So let's go ahead and pull the hood. Don't forget to take this light off if you got one.
Funny story with changing the hoods on the Suburban. While doing this, I dropped one of the bolts that holds the hood on down into the fender of the front right of the Suburban. So we have a random hood bolt just stuck in there. History almost repeated itself.
Oh, you got the dropsies, huh?
Mm-hmm. That wasn't even in time lapse. He just works that fast. All right.
Number one, disconnect your battery. It gets overlooked. Then shit starts sparking, and then you go disconnect the batteries. We're gonna do that first. Another thing I never liked about these trucks is they got the positive post right next to the fender. That's just like asking for sparks. So when we put this back together, we're gonna put the battery in reversed. With the battery disconnected, let's take off the harness. That's why I didn't jack it up off the ground yet. Let's do the top work first and do the bottom work next.
Yeah. I need to disconnect this one.
Yeah.
It's 4 on each side.
All right, let's get the fuel lines off the fuel rail here. Get down to the freight harbor, get you one of these little just pull apart fuel rod wrenches, flip it on the fuel rail, push it in, pull it off. Same for the return line down here. Worth every bit of $6.
He's also got these clips for holding it in over here.
Let me just take these off. Just run down to your oxygen sensor on that side. Go under the truck, and right there underneath the passenger side door, there's 2 oxygen sensor clips. You can unclip them, and we can pull that whole harness over here and get out of the way. And if we can get it to launch that hard with the front suspension out that much, that'd be awesome.
Nice. Yeah.
Let's go ahead and 13mm on the starter bolts. Oh yeah, it's loose. They've been on for 22 years. They're all gonna be tight. Start taking that extension off. It might help you out.
Dude, it can hold me.
There you go. Alright, 7/8 socket, take off the O2 sensor before we completely take the exhaust down. Yeah, it should just be able to unscrew it. Thanks for breaking your dad. One day you'll be able to break them too.
Yeah. One day.
And look at the O2 sensor. See how it's nice and tannish?
What?
It's like kind of white.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's got a good burn to it. It's not black. The engine wasn't burning oil.
So that's still good.
Yeah, I'm saying I think the motor the timing chain broke. Alright, if you give it a little wiggle, it'll come down. There we go. Exhaust off. Alright, let's get up and underneath this thing. Alright, we're going to wrap it up for the night. It's a little chilly out here. And it's dark under the truck, so we're going to hit it up daylight tomorrow. So far we got the harness off, the intake off, drive shaft off, exhaust off. Yeah, it's pretty good. Operated a couple times just to make sure it works good for you don't kill yourself. And let's take a transmission out. There we go. Oh, we bought WD. You could have sprayed some WD on it, made it a little easier.
Should have, yeah, I forgot about that.
So don't take it all the way off. Just get it loose and break the other side. Making these videos makes everything take way longer than it's supposed to.
I'm on my right.
Now you're on the nut or the back of the bolt. The one closer to the frame?
Yeah.
Alright, good. You can forget going to the gym. This is what makes you strong.
Doing weird, not weird stuff, but
no, it's like weird. It's awkward positions and repetitive movements. It's just like lifting weights.
This one came out a lot easier than I thought.
Yeah, put a little grease on the back of it. Makes it real easy. You know what's even easier? If you get the impact and you put the impact wrench on it.
Oh yeah.
Is that it? You'd still be wrenching on it.
I got it out.
Good, drop it.
Alright.
Next. Why are you scared of the thing? Hold it down until it comes off. There you go. Alright, so before we pull these bolts out, let's put a jack under here. At least the majority of stuff under here is 15 millimeter.
Yeah.
Cool. Now, when you jack the jack up right here, and the bolts will get loose enough to where you can kind of pull them out. Right now, everything's sitting on the bolts with no nuts on them.
Alright.
That's in a good spot. It's under the tail shaft. Because when we drop everything down, it's going to lean back and more oil's going to come out. Alright, hold up. A little bit. Put these two out. A little bit more. There we go. Alright. I'm out the way. Let it down slow. Alright, hold what you got.
Will it drain?
Yep, let it drain. We got some stuff to disconnect over here on top of the frame.
Alright.
And then jack it back up a little bit actually. Alright, the O2 sensor had us clipped up here at the top. Undo that. Now it'll come down. Nice and slow. There it is. All the way.
All the way. Push it back, but up somehow.
Right, so you push it up, and I push it back.
Alright. This is still draining.
Hey, it's going to. See how it's pushing on the muffler?
Yeah, does the muffler, can I just push the muffler back?
Yeah, it's on this little rubber hanger.
Alright.
If not, we gotta pull the muffler off. There we go.
Got it.
This side's come down. So that's down. That's off your transmission lines. And we got the white pipe out of the way. Alright, dude, good job. Alright.
Yes.
I got two lines on this side to undo, and we got the linkage over here to undo. That's it. Rest is finger work.
That was easy. Boom.
Alright, pulled it off of there, put your nut back on it.
We're set. After however many hours.
Alright, got all the bolts out.
Finally got it off.
Finally got all the bolts out the back of the bell housing. I'm gonna see how this Freight Harbor Pittsburgh transmission jack works. Other direction, kid. You're jacking it up. Wants to separate. That's it.
That's it.
Go up a little bit more. Alright, now come back down, flip it, because the top's wanting to bind. So once it comes down to where it wants to be even, keep going. Hold on. Don't go too fast. There we go.
Is that it now?
Nope.
No? Oh yeah, they still got the top ones.
We gotta get the lines off.
Yep.
Alright, we are unbolted.
Transmission is off.
Jack it up. That's, no, you're doing good. Keep going down. It's actually
letting it, taking the top off.
Yep. That's it. Alright, hold on. Let me look to the other side. Alright. So I got them wonderful GME clips out of there. And now I just gotta do this last line. Use this gentle persuader.
Only for those.
Boom.
Nice. I'll pull the
there it is. Dipstick out. Transmission out. Go all the way down to the ground.
It's all the way down.
Oh, it's collapsed. All right.
Yeah.
There it is. 4060E out of the 2000. Next we're gonna pull a 4.8. Almost got that out. Everything else has been disconnected. And the little wheels fit nice. There it is. Day 2. We didn't have a full day though. We started like noon. It was cold out here. It warmed up nice today. But in Louisiana, you never know what you're gonna get till you get out of bed.
Again, the most bipolar weather you can get.
So yeah, 4060's out and 4.8's coming out next. Big things popping. We're gonna go get this little truck rolling. Thanks, y'all. Catch you next time.